If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To enter received bills into QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar. Then click the bill link under the vendors heading in the drop-down menu to open the bill window. Then use the Choose a Vendor drop-down to select the name of the vendor who sent the bill. To add a new vendor, choose the Add New command in the drop-down menu to open a new vendor pane at the right side of the window, where you can then enter the new vendor's details and click the Save button to finish. If you select the name of a vendor with whom you have outstanding purchase orders, the Add to Bill pane then appears at the right side of the bill window and shows the vendor's purchase orders you can add to the bill. To add a purchase order's details, which then appear in the Item Details section below, click the Add link in the purchase order to add to the bill. Alternatively, to add all items within the Add to Bill pane to the bill, click the Add All button at the top of the pane. Alternatively, to not add any items and collapse the Add to Bill pane, click the right pointing arrow in the pane's upper left corner. The Mailing Address field shows the vendor's mailing address from the vendor's record. If you did not enter one when creating the vendor record, you can type it here. The vendor's payment terms appear in the Terms field, and you can use this drop-down to select the payment terms if needed. You can also click the Add New choice in this drop-down menu to open the Terms pane to create new payment terms if needed. Select or type the date the bill was received from the Bill Date Calendar Selector field. The Due Date field to the right automatically adjusts its value depending on the bill date you selected and the terms you selected. You can enter a reference number for the bill into the Bill Number field. If locations are enabled, you can select one from the Location drop-down. Next are two collapsible and expandable sections named Category Details and Item Details. You can click the black arrow by either heading to expand or collapse each section. When entering bills, you most often enter the bill's line item details in one section or the other, but not both. The choice depends on whether the bill relates to items in your products and services list or not. To enter line item amounts for the bill, if entering a bill not associated with your products or services, select choices and enter values into the line item rows in the Category Details section. For example, if entering a telephone bill, you could select the telephone expense account here and then enter its amount. The Category Details section contains the category, description, amount, billable, tax, and customer project columns. You will also see a class column appear if classes are enabled. Alternatively, to enter bill amounts by selecting products and/or services for bills associated with your products and services list, select choices and enter values into the line item rows in the Item Details section. For example, if entering a bill for subcontracted services in your products and services list, you can select the subcontracted service item and enter its amounts. The Item Details section contains the product service, optional SKU, description, quantity, rate, amount, billable, tax, and customer project columns. You will also see a class column appear if classes are enabled. To delete a line item in either the Category Details or Item Details sections, click the trash can icon at the end of the line to delete. You can also click the Add Lines and Clear All Lines buttons below either section to add multiple lines or clear all entries from the lines in each section. To enter a memo to yourself about the bill, type it into the Memo field. To attach a file to the bill, use the Attachments field. In the toolbar at the bottom of the page are buttons that let you manage the bill. To cancel the bill entry, click the Cancel button. To clear data entry from the bill but leave the bill open, click the Clear button. To save and print the bill, click the Print button. To create a recurring bill, click the Make Recurring button to open the Recurring Bill menu, where you can choose how often this bill recurs. To save the bill, click the Save button. To save the bill and then open a new bill window, close the window or schedule a payment if you enable the bill payment service through QuickBooks Online. Click the current choice or select a choice from the Save and New, Save and Close, Save and Schedule Payment drop-down button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.